Action words. Drink. Drink means पीना. Drink, पीना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Sleep, सोना. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Read, पढ़ना. Write. Write means लिखना. Write, लिखना. Sing. Sing means गाना. Sing, गाना. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Dance, नाचना. Talk. Talk का मतलब होता है बात करना. Talk, बात करना. Wash. Wash means धोना. Wash, धोना. Fall. Fall means गिरना. Fall, गिरना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Cry, रोना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Laugh, हंसना. Yaw. Yaw means जमाई लेना. Yaw, जमाई लेना. Cook. Cook means पकाना. Cook, पकाना. Drive. Drive means गाड़ी चलाना. Drive, गाड़ी चलाना. Teach. Teach means पढ़ाना. Teach, पढ़ाना. Play. Play means खेलना. Play, खेलना. Run. Run means भागना. Run, भागना. Listen. Listen means सुनना. Listen, सुनना. Give. Give means देना. Give, देना. Take. Take means लेना. Take, लेना. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Swim, तैरना. Walk. Walk means चलना. Walk, चलना. Look. Look means देखना. Look, देखना. Sneeze. Sneeze means छींकना. Sneeze, छींकना. Help. Help means मदद करना. Help, मदद करना. Hurt. Hurt means चोट पहुंचाना. Hurt, चोट पहुंचाना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Ride, सवारी करना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Push, धकेलना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Pull, खींचना. Buy. Buy means खरीदना. Buy, खरीदना. Sell. Sell means बेचना. Sell, बेचना. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Fight, लड़ना. Win. Win means जीतना. Win, जीतना. Travel. Travel means सफर करना. Travel, सफर करना. Clean. Clean means साफ करना. Clean, साफ करना. Open. Open means खोलना. ओपन खोलना. क्लोज क्लोज मीन्स बंद करना. क्लोज बंद करना. वॉच वॉच मीन्स देखना. वॉच मीन्स देखना. थिंक थिंक मीन्स सोचना. थिंक सोचना. सिट सिट का मतलब होता है बैठना. बैठना सिट. स्टैंड स्टैंड मीन्स खड़ा होना. स्टैंड खड़ा होना. जंप जंप मीन्स छलांग लगाना. जंप छलांग लगाना. ईट ईट मीन्स खाना. ईट खाना. Hello students, today we are learning about the family relatives. So let's start the video. Mother mother. Father father. Parents parents. Baby baby. Brother brother. Sister sister. Siblings siblings. Daughter daughter. Son son. Progeny progeny. Grandmother grandmother. Grandfather grandfather. Nephew nephew. Niece niece. Cousins cousins. Husband husband. Wife wife. Aunt aunt. Uncle uncle. Fiancé fiancé. Stepmother stepmother. Kin mother kin mother. Mother-in-law mother-in-law. Father-in-law father-in-law. Daughter-in-law daughter-in-law. Son-in-law son-in-law. Brother-in-law brother-in-law. Sister-in-law sister-in-law. In-laws in-laws. Friends friends. Enemy enemy. Maternal maternal. Paternal paternal. Maternal grandmother maternal grandmother. Maternal grandfather maternal grandfather. Adopted son adopted son. Granddaughter granddaughter. Grandson grandson. Maternal uncle maternal uncle. Father's sister father's sister. Married married. unmarried, unmarried. Relatives, relatives. Hello dear students, today we are learning about snakes name with their pictures. Indian snake, Indian cobra. Variable bush viper, Egyptian cobra. Forest cobra, king cobra. Dragon snake, blue racer. Anaconda, rattlesnake. Ball python, python. Greater snake, milk snake. Mangrove snake, common lancehead. Vipers, puff adder. Inland taipan, zebra spitting cobra. Wrinkles, pied ball python. Lavender inchi, leopard inchi. Arabian cobra, African coral snake. Rainbow snake, ring-necked snake. Shield nose snake, bamboo viper. Snouted cobra, gaboon viper. Tree python, armor pit viper. Banded crate, Godman's pit viper. Black-headed bushmaster, laser Sundas pit viper. Chinese cobra, rhinoceros snake. अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आम. बे से बंदर, पे से पतंग. ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर. से समर. जीम से जहाज. चे से चिड़िया. हे से हलवा. खे से खरगोश. दाल से दरख्त. डाल से ढोल. जाल से जखीरा. रे से रेलगाड़ी. रे से पहाड़. जे से जेवर. जे से जालाबारी. सीन से सेब. शीन से शेर. स्वाद से संदूक. ज्वाद से ज़ईफ. तोय से तोता. ज़ोय से ज़रूफ. आइन से औरत. गाइन से गुब्बारा. फे से फानूस. काफ से कुरान पाक. काफ से किताब. गाफ से गाय. लाम से लड़की. मीम से मोर. नून से नारियल. वाव से वैगन. हे से हाथी. हमजा से चाय. ये से यक्का. ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. A for apple. Apple means सेब. B for banana. Banana means केला. C for cat. Cat means बिल्ली. D for dinosaur. Dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant. Elephant means हाथी. F for fox. Fox means लोमड़ी. G for giraffe. Giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo. Hippo means hippo. I for ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish. Jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion. Lion means sheep. M for monkey. Monkey means bandar. N for nest. Nest means khosla. O for all. All means ullu. P for penguin. Penguin means penguin. Q for quail. Quail means quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. S for sheep. Sheep means bhed. T for turtle. Turtle means kachwa. U for unicorn. Unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire. Vampire means vampire. W for whale. Whale means whale machli. X for xylophone. Xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak. Yak means yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Today we are learning about 100 plus animals name with their pictures. Lion, leopards, tiger, jaguar, cheetah, hyena, puma, fox, wolf, maned wolf, black panther, snow leopard, armadillo, aardvark, panda, rhinoceros, ape, hamster, beaver, coati, boar, capybara, deer, reindeer, springbok, ibex, fennec fox, coyote, oryx, lychee, echidnas, hedgehog, otter, giant otter, Komodo dragon, koala, honey badger, giant anteater, kangaroo, hippopotamus, great bilby, loris, klipspring, lemur, mandrill, lynx, marmot, skunk, marten, mongoose, okapi, nombat, muskox, pangolin, opossum, serval, raccoon, raccoon dog, Patagonian Mara, dog, porcupine, wombat, red panda, red river hog, sloth, warthog, tapir, Sifaka. Tasmanian devil. Vicuna. Bear. Polar bear. Arctic fox. Arctic wolf. Lizard. Basilisk lizard. Bat. Flying fox. Elephant. Giraffe. Gorilla. Dinosaur. Monkey. Chimpanzee. Chameleon. Iguana. Hare. Rabbit. Crocodile. Water dragon. Mouse. Rat. Toad. Frog. Walrus. Pig. Mole. Leech. Eagle. Spider. Wild dog. Zebra. Centipede. Millipede. Scorpion. Skink. Snail. Snake. Nile monitor.